आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ सीजनल मटर, ग्रीन अनियन और ब्रोकली से वेरी यमी ग्रीन सूप। विंटर्स में सूप इज़ द बेस्ट कंफर्ट फूड। ये सिर्फ हमें गर्माहट ही नहीं देते बट आर लोडेड विद न्यूमरस हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स। दिस पीस एंड ब्रोकली सूप is busting with benefits. This superhero soup is high in protein, fiber, and folate, and it will also give you a boost of vitamin C, which will help absorb the iron from peas and broccoli. This soup will also give you some hard to find nutrients such as vitamin K. I have added whey water to this recipe, paneer ka pani, to give it a boost on nutrients. You can also use normal water instead. Being rich in antioxidants, fairly low in calories, this cup of soup is a perfect dinner choice. So enjoy this pea and broccoli soup this winter. Stay fit, healthy, and happy.